Hi everybody. Today we're going to be focusing on drawing sheets, specifically bringing in a DWG from another system and making that your default drawing sheet. So right now I'm just going to open up a DWG. See, I have one titled New D-Size Format, and we'll just bring it in to look at it. So I like this, and I'm going to use that for my format. And to start off with, I'm going to open up a new design, so I have everything blank. And off of that, I'm going to open up a new drawing sheet. So once we have this set up, we need to go ahead and change our format or change our size to the D size, because that's the size of our AutoCAD that's coming in. So you can do this by going to Format, changing it from the standard of B to D. But if you change the format, you're going to also have to go in and remove the current format. Or you could have gone to size and just changed it from a B size to a D size. So once we have this set up, we're actually going to go back to our Design tab and insert in our DWG. So you can see that there's two ways you can bring it in. You could bring it in onto a 3D model, or you could bring it into the drawing sheet, and that's what we're going to do here. So we'll double click the DWG to open it up. So once it comes in, it should come into the right location. So it's everything set up right on our drawing sheet, and we don't have to move anything around. That's because the origin in AutoCAD was the same default as we have here in SpaceClaim. So if it comes in into a wrong location, you're going to have to actually move the lines in to get everything lined up correctly. So now let's look at some of the smaller features we have here, and maybe we're going to go in and change some of the text or change the lines in to format it exactly how we want. So we'll change that from map to sheet. So once we have everything set up exactly how we want, we'll go ahead and save this as our current format. So we can just go ahead to Save As, and we'll save it as a SpaceClaim doc, because everything is saved as a SpaceClaim doc: parts, assemblies, and drawing formats. So once we have it titled, we'll go ahead and save that. And just to show you that we have this as a format that we can call on, I'll open up a new design and sketch a quick cylinder, and I'll put that on a drawing sheet. So it's going to come in on the standard B-size default drawing sheet. But if I go to Format, I can click the More Format button at the bottom, and I can open that up on the format that we've just created. So it opens up and everything's fine. We can move the parts around to do whatever we want. So let's go into the options right now, located in the application menu, and we'll start to see how the other formats are set up. So when we go into options, we'll go to our detailing tab, and we can see how we have the formats. We see it with the A through E size format. So let's look at for all new documents, and this is how we'd change the default, just by picking the new design, and we can see our window updating to the right, showing us what we're going to preview. So we can also see that it's located, these files, in Program Files, SpaceClaim, Drawing Formats. So if we want to add a drawing format to this, we'll have to put our file in this folder. So let's close SpaceClaim and do that. So we'll go into My Computer, and we'll actually go to the C drive, Program Files, SpaceClaim 2007 Plus. We'll actually click on the library, and then click on Drawing Formats. And once we do that, we can see the drawing formats that are in there to start off with. And now all we have to do is open up our format that we've just created, and we'll drag and drop the new D format that we made into our standard library of formats. So now that we've done this, let's open up SpaceClaim again and start to use it. So we'll wait for SpaceClaim to open a couple seconds, and then we'll go ahead and set it as the default. So go to the application menu, go to the SpaceClaim options, and go back to the detailing tab. So now you can see that our new format is in the list. So let's set this for all new documents, and we'll change it to our format. And we can see the preview on the right. So we'll click OK here, and I'll make a quick little sketch, pull it up, and now when we go to put this on our drawing format, we can see that the one we've created earlier is now our new default drawing format that will open up. And if you look at the format, you can see that our new D format is there as well. Hope you've learned a little bit about adding new formats and can do this in the future. Thank you for watching.